Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something sweet and exciting for you as we dive into the unknown facts of a delightful Brazilian treat, the Beijinho. If you're a fan of Brazilian cuisine or simply have a sweet tooth, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on delicious content like this one. So, what is a Beijinho? Well, it's a popular Brazilian sweet, often described as little kisses. These bite-sized delights are made with just a few simple ingredients that come together to create a burst of coconut and sweetness in your mouth. But there's more to Beijinhos than meets the eye. Let's dive into some fascinating unknown facts about this delightful treat. Origin of Beijinho. Our first unknown fact is about the origin of Beijinho. Beijinhos are part of Brazil's rich culinary heritage, and they have a fascinating history. They are believed to have been inspired by another Brazilian treat, the brigadeiro, which you might be more familiar with. While brigadeiros are made with cocoa powder, Beijinhos swap cocoa for sweetened condensed milk and roll them in grated coconut, giving them a unique twist that's adored by many. Traditions and celebrations. Beijinhos are more than just a sweet treat. In Brazil, they hold a special place in celebrations and traditions, especially during birthdays, weddings, and other festive occasions. These little confections are often featured at dessert tables, adding a touch of sweetness to the festivities. In fact, they're considered a symbol of love and affection, making them the perfect treat to share with friends and family. Variations and creative flavors. Beijinhos come in various creative flavors and presentations. While the classic Beijinho is made with coconut, you can find numerous exciting variations. Some people add ingredients like chopped nuts, chocolate, or fruit to the mix. Others might shape them into unique forms or decorate them with colorful sprinkles. It's all about getting creative and having fun with this sweet tradition. International popularity. You know that Beijinhos have traveled beyond the borders of Brazil? That's right. These delightful sweets have gained international popularity. You can now find them in various countries around the world, where they've become a beloved treat for those who enjoy exploring global cuisine. The simplicity and deliciousness of Beijinhos make them a hit everywhere they go. Easy to make recipe. And finally, for those of you who want to try making Beijinhos at home, here's another fascinating fact: it's incredibly easy to make them. With just a few ingredients and simple steps, you can whip up a batch of Beijinhos to enjoy anytime you like. The meaning of Beijinho. Have you ever wondered why they're called Beijinho, which translates to little kiss? Well, the name is quite fitting. These sweet morsels are often compared to kisses because of their small, round shape. They are like bite-sized, sugary kisses that melt in your mouth, making them a delightful treat for anyone who tries them. Regional variations. Brazil is a vast and diverse country, and as you'd expect, Beijinhos can have regional variations. Different regions may add their own unique twist to the classic recipe. For example, in the northeast of Brazil, you might find Beijinhos infused with flavors like passion fruit, guava, or even a hint of spices for an extra kick. Exploring these regional variations can be a culinary adventure in itself. Homemade versus store-bought. Another interesting fact is that there can be quite a difference between homemade and store-bought Beijinhos. While homemade Beijinhos offer that personal touch and unique flavors, store-bought ones are often more uniform in appearance and taste. Both have their own charm, and some people have strong preferences for one over the other. Beijinhos as a gift. Beijinhos make fantastic gifts. In Brazil, it's common to gift a box of Beijinhos to friends, family, or hosts when visiting someone's home. Their sweet and delightful nature makes them a perfect present, symbolizing kindness and affection. Plus, they're often beautifully packaged, making them even more special. Easy customization. Last but not least, Beijinhos are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit your taste. Whether you prefer them extra sweet or with a hint of saltiness, you can adjust the recipe to match your flavor preferences. You can also experiment with different coatings, like chocolate shavings, colorful sprinkles, or even crushed cookies to add a unique touch to your Beijinhos. And there you have it, some unknown facts about Beijinhos, those delightful Brazilian, little kisses. If you enjoyed learning about this sweet treat, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow foodies. If you have any more facts or fun stories about Beijinhos, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting food content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.